As the West Indies and Sri Lanka remain locked in a tense battle in the second test match in Antigua, there is a bigger, better, brighter picture emerging for West Indies cricket, in that there can be a balanced debate as to whether or not the West Indies should have gone for the win in the first test instead of settling for the draw. In recent years, we never had that choice. Our thing had become, in how many days will the West Indies lose the test match? Now, when we can move from that to a big, loud argument about keeping our winning streak going, and should we or should we not look to chase down 350 plus runs to win a test match in West Indies cricketing terms, that is major progress. Some of us don't mind getting carried away with the current form of the team in thinking positive possibilities. No one can convince me that after successfully chasing down 395 runs in Bangladesh, in the highest ever successful test match run chase on the Asian continent, that in the very next test match, that same team get 375 runs to win from a possible 120 overs on a flat pitch in home conditions, and the thought should not even cross our minds to go for the win. The minds of trailblazers and winners and champions don't work that way. And thankfully, the West Indies have us back in a space. Yes. Not in an outer space, but they have us back in a space. Yes. The West Indies have us back in a space.